Summer's here. We're gonna shave our pup to so he could rest better and have less sores. It's actually better for their coat at least once every couple of years to shave them. Today we're gonna bring a dog groomer, and this is actually a razor made for dogs. I actually used it and I am very impressed with it. It lasted through the whole section. I had to cut my dog. I have a golden retriever. We shave him once a year to make sure that any kind of wounds or anything underneath the coat he has, it could get healed, or any bug bites or something. We want to make sure he's clean on that, so we shave him. And we use this razor in particular. It's a Type C connection you charge it with, but out of the box it was fully charged out of the box, and it lasted through the whole session, of course. And of course they give you the actual power station itself to charge it. And then there's a couple of levels in here for millimeters, all right? So you could put the razor higher. If you guys notice right here, it actually gets closer to less to the edge, and this is closer to the edge right there, if you guys can see. Now they give you two kind of trimmers right now. If you can notice, I have a lot of dog hair because we use this one right here. And they have a longer one and a shorter one, okay? So two different types, of course. And then it's very simple. All you have to do is clip it on through here, in this end and this end, and that's pretty much what you do. 3 millimeters on one and 6 millimeters on the other one. And then on the other one we have 12 and 5. We did not use the longer one. We want a short-haired dog, and we ended up shaving him. And we did find a little spots that he needed to heal, make sure that we release his out. Plus it's summer, so it's good. But don't recommend you shaving a dog if he's an outdoor dog. This guy's an indoor dog, so it's perfect. He's okay. We're gonna treat him with some of the actual treatments we have, but this thing is easy to clean, easy to use. So it has two sessions in here. You can push the button one, you can hear the machine going. That's number 2, and then it turns off. So we end up using number 1 because it was nice and slow and steady, and I was able to cut his hair really simple. I didn't have any issues. We completely shaved him. He was from a beautiful golden retriever down to a little lab, it looks like now. So like this device and recommend it for you guys. If you guys ever need to do something like this for your dog, take a look at this. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.